And here we have a 1996 Nissan Maxima. The issue here that we're having is that the taillights are stuck on due to the missing stopper on the brake pedal. This is actually a common issue with a lot of older vehicles. If you see these popcorn kernels looking bits on the floor, it may be a sign that the stopper for the brake switch has disintegrated or starting to. The stopper is located in front of the switch, where this empty spot is. When you buy the stoppers, it will come in a pack of 2, the black one for the gas pedal and the clear one for the brake pedal. As I was editing, I realized the stopper for the other side is also missing. This side is for the cruise control switch. When the pedal is pressed, it will deactivate the cruise control if it's currently cruising. So you may need 2 sets of the stoppers in case both are missing. And now back to the video. Installing the stopper is really simple. All you have to do is place the smaller end of the stopper into the brake pedal and then the bigger section facing the switch. You could also press down on the brake pedal to give yourself more space in between to insert the stopper, which was hard to do while recording. But once you have the smaller end in place, you can pull on the pedal to insert the stopper. Because the stopper was missing before, the brake switch was stuck in the open position, which is the position when the brake pedal is pressed. When it's at rest like this, the brake light is off, and when it's pressed, and we're back to normal. Thanks for watching.